My name's Jordan Del-Grande. I'm the Director of Security here at NTT ICT. I began security over a decade ago at Ernst & Young. From there I got the experience of working at the Advanced Security Center in New York City. On returning back to Sydney, I set up my own company and worked with financial institutions in enforcing policies and making it more secure for the general environment. And after that, landed here at NTT ICT as the director role. So each time we have a new technology and people jump on board, security isn't always the forefront of that technology. It's more about how do we get it to market. And so if we have a look at the devices that we use today and the applications that are in use, such as Facebook, eBay, PayPal, banking applications, we can see that there's a trend of the release of that, and then there's a vulnerability. There's an exploitation by the hacker, then there's a fix, and then another release, and then we continue this cycle. So the threats themselves will always follow the trends in technology. So if we go back to the 90s and so forth, there was this push to say, well, you really do need a firewall. And there were corporations that said, oh no, I don't think I really need one of those. And then once you have break-ins between the internet and the corporation, well, everyone knows, look, you better have a firewall today. Then after that was starting to get locked down, we see that the hackers went, well, if there's firewalls there, how do I punch a hole through the firewall to get to what I want? And we went through the next evolution of web application attacks. So we see things like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and so forth. That was targeting the end servers. Now, we still see these attacks today. It's not like they're gone. They're still there, but there's still this next wave of evolution. Instead of just targeting the end server, they then realize that we have this swarm of people on the internet who connect with those servers. So why don't I target those people? All of these ways, or the trends I've seen, have gone through starting at curious guys who were teenagers playing around, programming, hacking, right? Today it's not that. Today it's cybercrime, and it's organized crime wanting to make money off people's expense. As far as security being sort of pervasive in the services we offer at NTT ICT, I'll start with the public cloud. Sydney was one of the first spokes to be certified to ISO 27001, which is an international security standard, and it cuts across many realms of security, but it is the first question that our customers ask us, or potential customers ask us, when looking for new business. When we look at the private cloud space and co-location, NTT has myself and a team of people, security professionals, who, when we are designing the network, we're designing it in such a way that it is secure for the end customer, and that they can feel that their data is appropriately protected. That is of a key concern to it, definitely for a lot of corporations. It is their data, and we treat it as such. And hence, that's why we have a Tier 3 data center. So at many layers, we are offering services that if a corporation wanted to do this in-house, it would be far more expensive. So some of the things that separate NTT ICT from the other providers out there, we've been in this game a long time. And so on each of the forefronts of cloud computing, public, private, co-location, and security, we've done it we've got the experience and knowledge within the corporation that we can manage the systems appropriately to make it less likely for incidents to occur.